Okay, so you've been hearing the name Nikki Life everywhere, but you're clueless on how to get started on this app or what you need to do on the app basically in order for you to earn. You need answers to questions like how do I get started, what do I need to do, how do I download the app, what do I do immediately I register, what's the next thing to do, how do I earn on this app. Then you've come to the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share this comprehensive tutorial on Nikki Life app, perfect for newcomers. Let's dive in. Alright, so as usual, there will be a referral link in the description and comment section of this video. So that is the link you will be taking to download the Nikki Life app. Okay, so here we have the link. We click on the link and then it redirects us to our browser, and then we can then open in any of our apps, either Palm Store or Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, I think it's going to be on your Apple Store, so I'm going to click on Google Play Store, so you can then download the Nikki Life app. I have downloaded mine here already, so it says update. I can just quickly update it. All right. Okay, so once the app has successfully installed, you click on open. Okay, so the next step is to register with your email address or your social media account. Okay, so I'm in now. The next step is for you to complete your face authentication for secure verification. This is the important step. Immediately after you've registered your account, you go to your dashboard and then head to where it says authentication or face verification, and you make sure you complete your face authentication for secure verification. I've done mine already, so that's just the next thing you need to do. And the next thing is for you to join an agency. Okay, you need an agency to guide you on the app. Okay, for those of you who are just starters or newcomers, you might not know how to navigate through the app yet. You may need some assistance of an agent, one who has like a wide knowledge about the app, who will be ready to teach you on how to go about the app. Okay, you can decide to join my agency if you're interested. All you have to do is to send me a message in the comment section, hi, I'm interested in joining your agency, and then I will lead you to my contact where I will then need your ID to add it to agency. Or you can decide to join any other agency of your choice. Okay, it's not mandatory you join my agency. Okay, just in case you need to join my, please contact me like I said. And for those of you who have people you can invite to the app, you would love to own your own agency, you can also reach out to me, okay, of your interest, about your interest in becoming an agent. All right, I'll also make you one. All right, so with all that being said, now your account is fully registered. Now that you are registered, let's explore the app. Discover live streams and games and interactive features. As a newcomer, you are eligible for exclusive bonuses. It is important you claim your welcome gifts and boost your earnings because it has a limited time duration. Invite friends and family to join Nikki Life. Earn rewards and bonuses for successful referrals. Here is a tip to maximize your earnings on Nikki Life. Participate in events, engage with streams, and complete tasks. That's it. You're now ready to start your Nikki Life journey. If you have any questions, comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.